The Telecommunication Regulation Authority has published a regulation list of user rights for users of telecommunication services. The regulation list includes fundamental requirements for contracts as well as the obligations of authorized parties towards users. It also contains billing and roaming terms, child protection, and data confidentiality. The regulation list comes to accommodate the new trends witnessed in the telecommunication sector and to ensure rights for both beneficiaries and service providers. The regulation list includes many sections and can be mainly summarized as follows. The service provider authorized must share a standard service agreement including terms that are both fair and transparent in Arabic and English provided to the end user with a signed copy of the contract by both ends. The regulation list also states that no billing is due towards any service or package without consent or self-subscription from the end user. Added to that is getting the necessary approvals from the end user before stating a term period on any contract. The right of beneficiaries to get billing information in an easy and complementary manner, as well as notifications of usage at certain levels to help end users control their usage. The service provider can't ask for billing fees and other detailed fees post to a year from providing the service. And to protect children from open usage of telecommunication services, the regulation list commanded authorized companies to use safeguarding tools and applications to protect children or create awareness amongst users on how to buy and use them. As for roaming services, the regulation list states clearly that it is not allowed to provide data roaming services without a proper consent from the end user, which should be separated from voice calls while roaming. The roaming service also must be capped both for data and voice, and the end user must be noticed to then choose to either stop the usage or promote the roaming service to a higher range. The regulation list also shared clear instructions about the upper limit and instructions of upgrading or downgrading services and what they entail of charges to the end user. The advertisement messages, on the other hand, must be with a clear consent from the end user and do not disturb the user's rest times. Finally, the regulation list also looks at data protection and end-user privacy, user awareness, cancellation and service pausing, appeals and administrative penalties, as well as service and data enhancement sections. All of the mentioned in this regulation list comes according to the digital transformation program adopted by the Sultanate of Oman in technical aspects to accommodate global advancement in the field.